Good morning everyone, namaste. So today we're going to practicing warm up from top of head to end of the toe finger. Let's start with head exercise. Head up and down. Breathe in up and breathe out down. 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, chin to shoulder touch ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ear to shoulder touch ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, neck full rotation in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder full hand rotation exercise. Raise your both hands up. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder ball rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbow exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wrist alternately up and down exercise. 5 counts. Finger exercise. 5 counts. Next, side bending exercise. Maintain 2 feet distance between your both legs. Now raise your right hand up. Bend your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, join your both legs. Forward bending, back bending exercise. Breathe out, forward bend. Try to touch your toe finger. Now come up, back bending. When you go down, breathe out, back bending. Maintain distance between your both legs. Keep your legs should be straight. Don't bend your knees while you bend forward. Swing exercise. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, catch your ankles, holding. Next, back bending, holding for 10 seconds. Next, twisting exercise. Interlock your fingers. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip rotation exercise. Clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper body part warm up is completed. Now start lower body part warm up. Start with squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just continue 10 to 20 repetitions and next holding. Now maintain 3 feet distance, both feet facing opposite side. Start sumo squats. Go down, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, holding for 30 seconds. Next, pulses, vibrating your upper body for 30 seconds. Moving your sides 10 to 20 repetitions. Next, side sit-ups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, bend your knees, start running faster 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fastly run fast up to 30 seconds. Next, standing crunches, elbow to knee touch-ups, opposite direction. 10 counts. Next, type 2, right elbow to right knee, left elbow to left knee touch-ups. Next, knee exercise, forward backward movings, 5 counts, clockwise 5 counts, anti-clockwise 5 counts. Tadasana stretching exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ankle rotation exercise clockwise 5 counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise 5 counts. Jumping jacks 30 counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Relax.